Testing and visual checks. First, do a final inspection to ensure all cables, wiring harnesses, and hoses are secured and routed properly, preventing chafing and other damage. Now turn the bus ignition on, but do not start the bus at this time. Wait approximately 10 minutes and verify the operation of the heaters at both ADVs on the concept and the bottom portion of the air dryer. Both should be warmed to the touch. Note: the dual heaters in the air dryer only activate when the ambient temperature is below 45 degrees Fahrenheit. If the temperature during the installation is above 45 degrees Fahrenheit, the dryer heaters will not turn on. The concept ADVs, however, should be warmed to the touch as they will be energized while the brake lights are on. Now start the engine. Allow system air pressure to build up to governor cutout pressure, approximately 125 psi. Verify the air dryer performs a purge cycle. Air should expel from the bottom of the air dryer assembly once system pressure has been reached. Next, spray all pneumatic connection points with a soapy water solution. Verify there are no air leaks present. Actuate the service brakes several times, dropping the air pressure below governor cut-in range. Allow the pressure to build up to governor cut-out pressure and verify the air dryer performs a purge cycle. Check the manual operation of the ADVs on the concept by pressing the red button on the bottom of each. Air should expel from the bottom of the valve. Note: air will only expel if the coil is not energized and the compressor is pumping air into the system. Ensure that the brake lights are not on and the compressor is building air into the system when performing this test. Have an assistant release the parking brake and make service brake applications. Ensure that you hear an audible click from both ADVs and a small puff of air is expelled out the bottom of each. Lastly, perform a road test if required by your facility procedures. This completes the installation of the HALDEX GeminiMDx system. We would like to extend a special thank you to the Greater Bridgeport Transit Authority for the use of their facility and skilled technicians in completing this video.